Well, the crowd continues to grow here at the arena, ladies and gentlemen. Now we send it to the third member of our panel, Andre Mulya, with a very special interview.
That's right. Thank you, Noel. I'm actually here with the winner of the Shakey's V-League slogan writing contest. So I'm with Mark Amande. Congratulations, first of all. And siguro, just for everyone to know, can you share with us what the winning slogan was?
A decade of Shakey's V-League, where the spirit of volleyball lives on.
Wow, very nice. Now, can you share with us what your inspiration was in writing that slogan?
Thank you. Actually, I'm a PE teacher, a volleyball coach, and a volleyball enthusiast. And I've been following the Shakey's V-League for quite some time. And actually, naging inspiration ko lang naman with Shakey's is the fact that the Shakey's V-League ang nagpapatuloy ng tunay na diwa ng volleyball here in the Philippines. At ito lang ang tanging league na magsasama-sama lahat ng champion of different leagues and different cities sa isang court.
Very well said. Spoken like a true fan. And syempre, dahil nga fan ka ng Shakey's V-League, tanong ko na rin, sino ba ang iyong favorite team dito sa Shakey's V-League?
Sayang nga I'm rooting sana for FEU, kaya lang unfortunately hindi sila naka-join. So I'm supporting the Queen Tam, Rachel Andaki, so go Ateneo.
Alright, yan naman nakikita natin, sumusuporta ang mga fans ng Lady Tamaras ngayon sa Ateneo. So once again, Mark, congratulations. And back to you, Noel and Mozzie.
Thank you very much, and congratulations to Mark Amande. That's a great slogan.
Yep.
Representing the 10th season of the Shakey's V-League. As NU is starting to pull away dito. Here's Tikar. And that attack not there for Sagon. That one is long, however, for NU.
Din Santiago trying it from the back row pero medyo malakas.
Right.
Nakakatawa, no? Talagang the spirit lives on.
Yes.
Yun naman ang hiling nating lahat ng volleyball spirit niya.
Alam mo,
napakasaya.
ang dami ng sumikat dito. I was looking at the book. I was reading over your
ako
shoulder
din eh.
kanina na yung mga pinaparangalan like Charo Soriano, Angelita Baquero. I mean, ito yung mga naging ambassadresses of volleyball.
Yes, they all started it. At kasama sila dun sa pag-evolve ng volleyball hanggang ngayon,
Right,
diba?
right,
Kung
right.
nasa na ang volleyball ngayon. Lahat yan, sir, parang pupuri.
Right.
Diba? A mixture of everything nice.
Here is Dintin Santiago on the attack. Tikar on the setup, and the door is slammed shut by Jaja Santiago on that left-handed attack by Nerissa Bautista.
Alam mo, nakikita ko yung reactions ng ating mga veteran players na nandito, yung mga naging guest players in the past. Pati sila namamanghay. Ang laki talaga eh. Wala pa ganyan sila eh. Coming from, let's say, Cherry Rose Makatangay, di ba? Iba yun eh.
Service ace from Jaja. Everything working for her right now. 7-point lead for NU, 13-6. Alam mo, hindi naman sila maliliit ng generation nila. Cherry Rose Rivera pa.
Hindi, pero namamangha rin sila sa
Roxanne Pimentel.
laki.
Yun yung mga higante dati. I mean, Maureen Penetrante, that's very intimidating. Sipin mo yung frontline ka
Tsaka
na
yung
gano'n.
malalaki sila at magagaling.
Yes. Here's Nene Bautista on the attack, cross-court. And that return is not fielded in well by Myla Pablo. So 13-7. And we have an early substitution here.
Beltran comes in.
And that is our first look now at Girly Beltran, who will come in to serve because as the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Girly Beltran wearing jersey number 6. Santiago, that's Dindin. Dindin gets it back immediately and scores. Isipin mo kung natuloy nga si Jaja. Well, we hope that she gets to play in a Division I school.
Oh, yes.
In the United States, of course. Pero pag natuloy si Jaja dito sa NU, and then may Santiago sisters up front.
Nakikita ko.
Wala kang makikita.
kahit wala akong crystal ball, Noel.
Pero hindi, wala kang makikita if you're the offensive player at lumundag yung magkapatid dyan sa harapan mo.
Hindi ko kailangan ng crystal
Oh,
ball.
look at that. I mean, Dindin, she's just found herself this season talaga. Parang naglalaro siya sa NU. I mean, she serves well, she attacks well, she blocks well. And I don't think we can give the credit solely to Dintin Santiago sa pag-Final Four nitong NU, but she's really a big piece of that.
Yes, definitely. And lumakas din ang loob nila with Dintin Santiago there.
Here's the attack by Sagon. Here's Dadang. Nice dig. Here is Bautista. That's a better dig from Jen Reyes. And Jen Reyes just did not have enough power to send it across. Yan ang mamimiss ng NU.
Yes, but credit again, Jen Reyes. Talagang not giving up. Kaya siya gusto ng crowd eh. Iba talaga.
Oh, speaking of liberos, ito si Jen Reyes, I think is one of the best,
Ay,
if not
oo
the
naman.
best libero in the country right now. And the moment
Yan,
we say
pinansin
that,
mo eh. Sabi ko na eh.
sumabla yung reception bigla. Tikar going to Henson. Here's Myla Pablo. Off-speed attack. Tikar
Still
says it back.
playable, yeah. Oh, and Rubita Leon wanting to go for a
Alam,
dump. No
alam
go.
na alam ni Ging Balsico ano mangyayari.
Ay, kilalang kilala. BFF.
Sabi ni Rubin, ako hindi ko pa
Hindi
naisahan.
makakalusot.
And it's still a 6-point lead for the Lady Bulldogs. Here's Reyes on the reception. Simon Dadang.
Henson on that dig.
Tikar, tinutulak si Balso palayo.
Oh!
And look at Henson, ha?
Yup! Winning that joust.
I mean, Henson must weigh about 80 pounds. And she went up against Ruby De Leon, the veteran, and Henson won.
Oh, akala ko sasabihin mo rin kung ilang pound si Ruby.
Hindi.
Okay.
Paluin ako ni Ruby.
Oh.
Close to 80 pounds. Ay, naku po!
Oh, Bandini
Wala na.
Santiago. Woo! Nailing that one in.
Ito po ang pinako nung nakaraang sinakulo. We'll be right back.